So welcome to Dubai, everybody. We are in this very cool resort type of area. We just arrived last night. Check this out, this is a live camera on the plane while we are taking off.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai International Airport, where the local time is 5 to 11. The outside temperature is 32 degrees centigrade.
Oh! That's hot.
Oh dear, it's hot.
Ho ho! So this is the room. Very interesting. The bed is the wrong shape. It should be more like this. Is like that. All right. Good night, guys. Good morning from Dubai. And now we just woke up, had breakfast, and we are ready to start exploring Dubai for the next few days. We're gonna see some cool stuff during our visit. Going to go to the desert. This is my favorite. I am looking forward to that. Then we're going to the gardens, you know, the heart-shaped gardens, flowers. And then we're gonna go on the big building, I think today. Also, it's so hot here. I mean, like crazy hot, like 40 degrees, which is great. So far this year we had such a cold weather everywhere. Anyway, let's go. By the way, behind me you can see that very famous building in Dubai. This one. Next stop, we're going to the Dubai Miracle Garden. Oh, yeah. So we got to the Miracle Garden,
Which is really nice, and there are not so many people because we're at the only stupid ones that come at
noon.
at 1 o'clock. I grew up in Spain. I love summer. I'm a summer person, but this is too much for me. Too much.
Okay, that's the place we wanted to shoot. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. We're going at the top in Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world.
We are on the top of the world, actually, and this is the highest building on earth, right?
Yup. Everywhere you can see people building new stuff. It's a bit surreal. So we are at the fountains, the Dubai fountains, where they sing and dance, the water, ho ho ho, ha ha ho. Check out the weather. Windy. Look at her dress. So we're going for a short ride.
Boat ride.
Short boat ride. We're gonna take a picture or two. After that we're gonna come back and we're going to the desert. Today is the day.
My glasses were in the hotel room, and it's so cold in the hotel room, and now they're like, you know.
What? Stop for a drink and some goodies at a, oh, what's the name?
Arabian tea.
Arabian tea house, okay. No, we're going to the desert, guys. We're having kind of a tour. We're gonna eat there, we're gonna see camels, the dunes, and Irina, she's dressed in red. I mean, deserts is one of the things on my list, my bucket list. Okay, see you in the desert.
شعرك تحت المخدة ريحة شعرك على شرشف حدي والناس طايرة بسياراتها برات الشباك يا أنا قاعد مثل التربة ضايع بين ايديك
Surreal. I can't believe I'm in the desert. Mom, I'm in the desert.
This is our car. World War II. So that's our oasis.
Rosewater.
Thank you. Okay, let's make a quick tour of the camp, the Bedouin camp in the middle of the desert. The most interesting part, which is the kitchen. Food is cooking. And here is how they make the bread. Some soup? Ooh, what's going on here? So this is how they make the traditional bread.
Please.
Here in the middle you have like the main stage area where they perform something like dancing and drumming. Here is the shisha area where everybody can chill out and smoke some shisha. Usually, traditionally, the elders would sit, smoke something and do business. And here and all over the camp you have the tents where we are staying and our fellow travelers. And that's it. Now I'm gonna grab something to eat, to drink, and maybe enjoy a shisha. Vamos. Come on, girl, let me show you something.
What?
Something you like.
I'm eating some Bedouin bread.
Okay, so we are sneaking out of the main camp. Some mysterious music. Okay. So we are off the camp and I see this door. Okay, slowly. Check out, girl. Did you hear? The camels sleep about half an hour per night. The rest of the time they are eating. That's not a healthy lifestyle. That's the guy we took pictures with. Hi guy. You're not sleeping, you're eating, right? Hi. A love story. between Irina and the camel. What was his name?
Lali.
Lali.
Lali means red.
Lali means red, and
Red.
she's
that's
wearing
right.
red. It fell asleep.
سافر حبيبي وداخل لي ودعني بكى وبات للمحارم وانا قلت يعني والله فراق الحبايب مر يوجعني مر